Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Taufik, and today we'll be looking at how to extract protein information from UniProt. So first, head on to your web browser and just type in UniProt. Click on the first link, and this is the interface you'll be ended up with. So this is the protein search bar. So for example, today we're looking at an amylase enzyme. It's a protein of interest. So as you can see, there are 300,000 results given for this entry. And on the left side here, there are a number of filters that we can use to filter out and narrow down our search. For example, if I press on the reviewed section here, it will only give 915 results. So the reviewed means that the entries given here are manually created by the creators. And then you can also narrow more down on this search by selecting other filters such as organism. Here I've selected the organism I want is human. So as you can see on the left side, on the right side here, the organism given are all Homo sapiens and all refers to the human. And you can use this for all the other filters given here, like the protein with only 3D structures, or the active proteins with active sites, and also any sequence length you desire. So now we look in the column of this table. So the first column is the entry for the specific UniProt ID given to these entries, and then the length of each protein's amino acid length, and then the entry name is the name of the entry, and then the protein names, name of the proteins, its gene names, and also the organisms is listed. Now these headers have a function. For example, if I click on the length, it rearrange the table from the shortest length of amino acid to the longest one, and also vice versa. It also works with the protein names. For example, if I click in here, it can rearrange the list according to the alphabetical order. So for example, for today I'll be selecting this protein, which is alpha amylase 1B. So first of all, you'll be given this overview of the protein. So you have the name and also the gene name, status, organism here, and also amino acid length, sequence, and also the annotation scores and whatnot. Now we can have this navigation button here, which is our information to find the information that we really want to target. For example, if I click on the function, it shows the function of the protein as a customizing enzyme that initiates starch digestion in the oral cavity. And you have the catalytic activity of the protein is EC number, and the cofactors for this protein and whatnot. Next, we can go to subcellular location. The function of this section is to show whether this protein is expressed extracellularly or expressed intracellularly. So for this protein, it is secreted extracellularly. Next, for disease and variants, this section shows that either this protein has any associated diseases, and it will show any type of variants of this protein. And you can just click in this hyperlink to get to the variant viewer. Next, we have a post-translational modification section. And here you can see all the post-translational modification, either it's a disulfide bond or modified dead residues, and its respective positions and also descriptions here. Here you can also view the structure of the protein using AlphaFold, or you can use other 3D structure databases. Simply just click on the link and we can see the structures and use them for our study. Next, we have a section for family and domains. We can see, for example, this protein belongs to the glycosylhydroxysteroid family, and also other hyperlinks that you can click on to study more and get more information on the domains and whatnot. Then here we have the sequence. The sequence is one of the important information that we usually need for protein analysis. So this protein have 511 proteins, and you can have a lot of different tools here. So for this sequence, you can perform blast analysis from around to compute its isolated points or molecular weight and whatnot using these tools. And so you can download this sequence in short format or add it to a basket, and also highlight any polar regions or hydrophobic regions